first portion of the semester, I thought that you were a woman because of the name Sky, which was rude of me. I shouldn't have assumed. So when I saw your video, I was like, oh, interesting. I wasn't expecting that. God, I really hope you're zooming through this because I am just chit-chatting away, aren't I? I had too much coffee today. That is my problem. This is gonna take so long to upload to YouTube. Probably won't be uploaded until like midnight or so. I could see it. Okay. And the reason I'm coloring for so long on these beans, oh, there went my laptop again. I guess I'm taking a really long time. The reason I'm coloring for so long on these beans is because it's very chalky. I just don't spend the most money on my art supplies, and so my art comes out mediocre. That's just the truth. Like, there's no punchline. Okay, last bean. I know we're both so excited. Okay, let's move on to the next question. I marked the beans, so I'll mark that off. Okay. My hand kind of hurts. Okay, so mark them and release them back. It's released. Shake the box or pitcher. I would mute this. Okay, sorry for that noise pollution. Anyway, let me see. Okay, shake the box and pitcher without looking. Oh my God, I was looking. Let me do it again. Grab another handful of beans. Oh, I'm so sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, grab another handful of beans or whatever. This is your second trapping sample. Okay, so I'm not looking. I got some beans. So let me see. Count how many you pulled out. So we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and 58 beans. 58 beans. All right. And just to prove it, there are my 58 beans. Okay. So that is little n. So little n equals 58 beans. Okay. Number 6 says how many of the beans or whatever in your second trapping sample were already marked? That's an excellent question. Oh, sorry, that's my animals. Hey, shh, shh, shh. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 'These ones aren't. The ones that I'm counting are not. 5, 6, 7, 8, 'That one's just dirty. 9, Oh, there's a little baby one. I really can't remember what number I'm on, so I'm just gonna put them over here and then I'll count them at the end. I think this would be easier. I'm actually partially colorblind, so it's really hard for me to see like the different like values in color or something like that. I think is what the doctor told me. There's another one. So I'm just staring. It's another reason why I looked so closely at the beans, or why it took me so long earlier. Okay, so over here we have our plain beans. I hope you can see them. And then over here we have our marked, oh, you can't see that, marked beans. Okay, I'm gonna count them real fast. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 of them are white. So big N, wait, let me make sure. I feel like that's wrong. How many beans in your second trapping sample were already colored? I was wrong, so tiny M is 12. And then let me see. Now use the equation above to calculate your population estimate. Ooh. Okay, let me see. Okay, I accidentally wrote these down, sorry, incorrectly. So I'm gonna fix this really fast on my paper. Okay, so number 5 said, shake without grabbing. This is your second sample. How many did you count? 58. That should be little n, correct. So let me check number 6. How many beans when your second sample were already marked? Yeah, so little m, oops, little m is 12. So then now we're trying to find big N. That's right. I don't know why I couldn't get the capital in there. Okay, so, so 7, number 7. Sorry, I keep getting the numbers mixed up. Okay, now I'm gonna scroll back up. So then it's gonna be big N over big M equals little n over little m. God, I write my m's the same, so they both just look like little m's. Okay, so let's fill that in now. So let's say, so big N is what we're looking for, so we do not know what that is. So we're gonna say x over, so big M was 69, and that's gonna be equal to, that is little n, which we found out is 58. That is my dog, please move away. Over little m, right, little m? Little m was, let me see, I'm so bad at math. Okay, we already got that one. Little m was like number 6, I think. Yes, that was 12. Okay, now let me see if I can remember this. I actually think I have it pulled up over here. Yes, I do. Okay, so proportions. So this is what I have written down. So sorry, it won't let me turn the camera. I don't know why. So we're gonna do cross multiplication. So I'm gonna do 69 times 12. It's on my phone. Okay, let me see if I can pull the calculator over here really fast. Okay, equals 58 times x. So here's just me trying to do basic algebra. So 69, which I'm typing into the computer, times 12 is 828. And then 58 times x is obviously just 58x. I say obviously like I understand math. Okay. Now, oh God. now I'm going to get x alone, and I'm going to divide 58 by itself. I'm going to cross that out, and then I'm going to do 828 divided by 58, like so. So we're going to do 828, which is already pulled up for us, and I'm going to say times. Not times, that is bad. Okay, so we're going to say, good thing I wrote it down, 828 divided by 58. And that gives us roughly like 14.28, which I'm just gonna round to 14 because we're talking about whole organisms and we can't have like a partial organism, I guess. So here's my math for that one. Now I'm gonna pull back up that worksheet. Okay, so n equals 14. Sweet, we're gonna circle that for later. Now it says number 8, count the actual number of beans, whatever in your box. Okay, so we're gonna leave these ones out because we're gonna cheat a little bit, and we're gonna say those ones are already counted since they are. And my number on that was 58, so the rest, okay, we will count these beans. So I'm not going to be able to talk to you too much while I'm doing this because I cannot count the beans at the same time as I speak. So this part's going to be very boring, I believe. Maybe I should just pour them all out and count them and put them back into the bowl. No, okay. So we are right now at 58. So 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Woo! This will be our 100 pile. Keeping tallies. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,